Yo, good morning, beautiful Vikings. It's a Pit Viper day. Man, it's a beautiful day though. How's everybody doing down in the comments? Leave it down below if you're having a great day, bad day, amazing day. We're gonna turn it around if you're having a bad day. Cause you saw the title, I bought it. What did I buy? A new truck. Ta-da! Probably can't really see it well because of the bush. Yeah, remember I had the big lifted, you know, camoed out truck, which was pretty sick. Well, I needed something that was better on gas, and I found out that diesel is a lot better on gas. Isn't that right, Kyle?
Yes, but that doesn't make any sense.
It does though.
Better fuel mileage.
Better fuel mileage, whatever. People are gonna get it. I'll get roasted by the car people. They're gonna understand what we're talking about. It's my new 2020 GMC Sierra AT4 25 Hundo HD. That's the quickest I've ever seen you move. That was quicker than West Virginia. When you booked it out of that, the cell block?
I'm aware.
Look at this thing, man. This thing's fully kitted out. I am super excited. That sun is cooking right now.
And it rained yesterday.
And it rained yesterday. Bro, man, it's hot.
I'm wet.
I'm not wet, but we're about to get wet because we're about to go take the jet skis out too. Haven't done that in a while. I know you guys like it. It's fun. It's just me and Kyle because Shelby, well, let me just show you what Shelby's doing. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a wild Shelby in her natural habitat. It's currently 10:20 and she is. So we gotta be quiet. You guys?
Really?
We've been spotted. Man, what we do? Don't run. We're gonna have fun. Make sure you leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. We got more ghost hunts coming. We got more adventure vlogs coming. We got some cool truck stuff coming.
This is just too much for my brain.
Here, watch. This is how we're gonna handle this. Ready? Look, hey. She needs some loving. There we go. Everyone remembers Mac?
Hey, bud.
What's up, dude? Here you go. Here you go. There.
That's my neck.
Anyway, we're gonna get ready. I'm hungry too, dude. Are you hungry?
Yes.
There's a door behind you. I didn't want to like keep walking straight. You're just like, ah!
We're gonna be in the truck. And
We're gonna be in the truck in like 5 seconds. Not even that long.
Five.
Well, it's 5 now.
3.
Well, it's been more than 5.
2.
Yeah. Cool.
Looks a lot smaller when I go really wide. Maybe let's do this.
Anyway, let's go shopping. You know I got a Cabela's credit card to buy a gun and that's all I did with it?
Well, I got a Lowe's credit card to buy something a long time ago, some tools. And I'm glad I have it now because that shelf that I built,
dude,
that's on a credit card.
This man built himself a shelf.
My carpenter guy was unavailable.
It's crooked.
Yeah, but I mean it looks good.
Well, it does look good.
It didn't have to like be perfect.
You know what else looks good? You.
No. That's
you
weird.
right now looking snazzy.
I'm uncomfortable.
Why?
Okay.
It's a little spooky season. Hey, look at this.
Don't you have stuff?
You want a bag of skulls?
No.
No? Why not? They're cool.
Because I don't need them.
I might need that Lowe's credit card after all. Let's go find this sleeve. Receiver does a GMC 2500 half. 2.5. Boom. Yo, is that like
It's a lock.
gunmetal crap? I know it's a lock.
Oh, sorry. I mean, like you were.
Why do you hate me?
I wouldn't expect you
Why
to
do
ask
you
about
hate
the color
me?
because you can see the color. Why would you ask about the color?
I was like, oh, yo, is that a gunmetal? I was like, yo, is that? You're like, it's a lock. Look at this black one though.
That's not a lock. Is it a lock?
Yes, it's a lock. We got some decent cloud coverage. Did you bring sunscreen?
No.
Oh, you'll be fine. I'm trying to, I want to be able, like, when we get the lift done, I want to be able to drive over you.
Okay.
Like, we're going to have you lay on the ground with the camera. And
you can do that now.
I wouldn't feel safe.
I'm not that fat.
But I wouldn't feel safe. I feel like there'd be a bar down there that I don't know about that would just smack you. I don't know. These things happen.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I don't know. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Hell yeah. Yoink. Well, shit. I guess because it's a diesel, it doesn't have the right plug-in. Shit! Ready to get a ticket?
It's not mine, so sure.
Okay, all right. It's hot! It's like, since we're introducing the truck, we just had something really cool happen. Apparently in tow mode, when you turn the blinker on, the camera turns on. That's cool. What?
So you can see your trailer.
You can see everything!
See all the people you're mowing down with your jet ski.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Look at the balance. The balance, and we're good. Okay. Not as elegant as I wanted it to be, but it's fine. Kyle, catch.
I got it.
That works. All right, now to be on.
Let's fast forward through that one. 5 count again? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom, baby. You ready?
Yeah.
Yoink. Aha, we kind of smooth out here today. Look what we got. Smooth. He's cranked up and moving. How many bars you got? How many bars you got? 1? All right, we gotta get gas. We're gonna go get some gas. We're on sport mode, so I can go really fast. We in sport mode, baby. Oh my God, I almost fell. Okay. Well, Kyle out here coming all unprepared, didn't fill his jet ski up.
Yeah, my jet ski.
Yeah.
Because I have money for a jet ski.
Didn't fill the jet ski up with gas, and now we gotta take time out of our day to get gas. So we're gonna go do that. This is your fault.
I can get more water too.
You can get more water. Are you okay? Oh shit, yep. Oh, it smells like gas.
Yeet!
Going crossbody action.
Please don't spray my shit with gas.
There we go. And engage. We're doing it.
Yeah.
Big living right here. It's hot.
It is.
I want to get back to moving. It was a lot cooler when we were.
Let's go back to moving. 1,
Skidding.
2.
What? What? Oh my God, that was scary. That was scary, close. That was fun. He's like, I got it! Alright, we're cruising now, baby. You just had it. This is turned into a GoPro hunt now. Looking for an orange floaty in the water. Way to go, Kyle.
That right there, that's where I'd put my GoPro. If I had one! In case anybody's keeping count, it's 2 things. My drone in February, my GoPro now.
That camera, dude, you're holding that camera over the water. Could you not hold that? You and water and equipment don't mix. Okay? I'm just putting that out there.
I live life on the
Please
edge, man.
don't have your camera over the water.
Like this?
Nah, stop, man. I'm freaking tired.
Yeah.
Even though that comes out with so much energy, I am freaking tired, dude.
I hope you got some good angles on your stuff.
I hope so, dude. You know what, man? I need you to stop losing stuff. You know? I know it's only twice, but can we stop losing stuff, man?
I'm gonna reach out to it. Go, hey GoPro.
Reach out, yeah, GoPro. Hey.
If you, I mean, if you're like nice, your float case didn't work like at all. So, like I was using it as intended, and it
float case, more like sink case.
Oh, you broke it! I'm gonna tell Caroline.
No! Don't even like have this footage in this, dude. Stop! You did this,
I
Kyle!
didn't do it.
Kyle!
Did I do it?
No.
Oh.
Yes, I mean, I'm just gonna leave. Let's just leave. Let's just leave.
What's the code?
7?